Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Clarissa's Cuisine. Today I'm going to prepare mutton biryani. Come, let's see the ingredients. Here I have taken 1 kg of mutton, 3 pav of basmati rice soaked for 20 minutes, and for masala 1.5 tablespoon of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 small pieces of cinnamon, 7 cloves, 3 star anise, 2 pods of garlic cloves, 4 inch of ginger, 1 fist of grated coconut. While cooking rice we need 2 small pieces of cinnamon, 6 cloves, 1 tablespoon of oil. Preparing biryani, we need 250 ml of ghee, 5 onion, 10 green chillies, 3 tomatoes, salt as per taste, 1 small bunch of coriander leaves, a pinch of saffron, half cup of milk. Let's prepare the masala. Roast ingredients. Add coriander seeds and roast it. Then add jeera and roast it. Once done, remove and keep aside. Add pepper and roast it. Once done, keep aside. Add grated coconut and roast it. Once done, let it cool. Then add all these ingredients to jar. Add little water and grind it. Paste is ready. Now let's prepare the rice. Boil water. Once boiled, add cinnamon, cloves, rice, one tablespoon of oil. Close the lid and let it cook. After some time, add salt as per taste. Once rice is cooked, drain off the water and keep aside. Let's cook the mutton. Pressure cook up to 1 whistle and keep it on low flame for 12 minutes. If it is not cooked, take more whistles. Let's start the biryani preparation. In a vessel, add ghee, add onions. As onion turns translucent, add green chillies. Slightly cut open the 5 green chillies of the 10 green chillies and other 5 green chillies as it is, do not cut it. Add tomatoes. Add ground paste. Add little water. Cook for few minutes. Add coriander leaves. Add cooked mutton. Add little water. Add salt as per taste. Okay, once done, you can transport this mixture to bowl and use the same vessel. Keep this vessel over a tawa on low flame. Now first add little masala. Then add little rice. Add pinch of saffron to half cup of milk and add little this saffron mixture. Add little ghee. Continue the same steps. Make 3 holes and add ghee to prevent sticking. Cook for 20 minutes over a tawa. Yummy mutton biryani is ready. Please try this recipe and share your reviews in comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video. Take care. Bye.